Come on, Sniffy Wiffy girl. Hi. 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 She said I want to piss on everything. No, 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 this way. Come on. Come on, stick to the track. She's a happy girl. She said I want to eat some grass, Mum. She's a happy girl, eh, Laggy? She likes going for her quiz. Yes, she does. Leave her scent everywhere. What's going on here? She said, do you mind? I'm taking a shit. Can I shit in peace? It's called fertilizer. Fertilizer for nature. It's not on a track, it's not on a path. She said, oh my God, I feel so much better now I've had a shit. Hey, Puku. She's my Puku girl. She said, I piss anywhere I want to. This way, Leggy. She said, how about we do a shortcut? Good morning, tree. Good morning. Oh, slippery, Laggy, slippery, slippery. Whoa, Spelt went for a slide. Slippery slide, 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 slippery slide. Just take a look around. Check out our environment. Oh, this is like acupuncture on the soles of my feet. Ooh-wee. Do you have to keep pulling me so hard? Hey, just calm. Just go slow. I'm trying to hold this and hold you at the same time. Ow! Lagertha, can you wait for your mum, please? I need another pace. Take it easy on me. Oh, this feels amazing on my feet. It's like little needles going in. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Slippery when wet. Hang on, Leggy, slow, baby. Slow, princess. Oh, holy. Oh, yeah. Good morning, sunshine. Nice bit of carpet there. Let's go, Poco. Come on, over this way. Beautiful day. Oh, that's slippery. Another toilet stop, Laggy. Good morning, tree. I love you. I love you too, Laggy girl. She's my Poco. She loves her morning hikoi. Under the branch. Kamaraho. Oh. Look at those beautiful trees. Whew. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. Wow, this is a walk, eh? No shoes, no cares, no worries. Connecting with nature, with Lagertha. Grounding, exercising, moving thy body. Just like Lagertha. Let those hips sway. Left to right, left to right. Made it to the top. Come on, this way. Come on, this way. Maggie, we'll go this way. Come on. Up, up. Come on, Puku. Good girl. She's a good girl. Oh, that feels so soft on the feet. That's nice. So these are Maggie Magpie. These are Maggie Magpie. Look at those big paws. Look at those big paws, eh, Puku? Who's a pretty cute leggy, yes? Good morning. Good morning. Back to the top. Oh, look at those legs. She's a happy girl. She had her morning walk. You ready? What's so interesting, you had to stop to read this. What are they saying, Leggy? Enjoy your walk? Come on. Come on, princess. One more piss. So she had to reply back to that Minnie. Hey, let's jump over here. Come on. Come on, this way. Maggie, this way. This way. Come on, over. Come on, over. Yay, we did it. We did it. Maggie. Hey, let's look at those beautiful face of yours. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. And we got no shoes today, family. Yeah, no shoes. Not like any of these shoes. There we have it. Maggie's walk is done.